Hi, it's Sheila Hensley here, and I'm going to do a demonstration on how to do a post on your Google My Business listing. And I'm going to have to do a little bit of moving around here to get to everything. The first thing you do is you go to your listing. I have mine here at the top bookmarked so I can get to it. You should always know the name. I have a vanity URL, but you should always know this URL so you can get to it. So once you start here, you make sure that you're logged in. I have a different picture on my page than I do on my profile, and you make sure that you are logged in as, and there, see it changed? And then you don't have a place to go and do your post. But if you hit About, and you scroll down to Manage My Google My Business, you're going to get this page. Done this before. Here you can view it on search. Here you can view it on map. But over on the left-hand side above info, it has posts. So I'm going to click on post. I have one that I want to write. Try it now. I don't want to try it now. What's new in post? Okay. I will try that later. This is the one I had last time. This is the new post that I'm going to write. I'm going to tap in here. I'm going to move my picture over just a little bit. And the very first thing you have to do is you have to write your post. And you have to figure out where your this is so silly. There. It's right over write your post. Wednesday only. Yeah, you would need to, if you're going to do this live, you need to know how to type. 40% off flash sale at the CE shop. Cool. Now I can come back and add some more to that, but I want to go down for before, and I want to add a button. You'll see this toggle switch right here, and when you toggle it, it will have examples of order online, buy, learn more, sign up, and it will give you options to put your website in. And I'm going to say order online for this one, and that is the page they can order online. I will go back up, and now I want to add a photo. I'm going to pause while I find the photo. All right. Make sure that I am still recording, and I am. I have found the photo that I want to share. It's uploading now. And it looks huge. But you get to preview it right here before you publish it. So this is the graphic that I want. Wednesday only, 40% off flash sale at the CE shop. Order online. I want to go back from preview. See the arrow here? And I want to add to that, in case they don't see it in the graphic because it's hard to see, use promo code at checkout. And that should do it. Let me preview it again. Cool. That works. And now I publish. And there it is. Then you want to go, to make sure that it works, you want to go to your site. No, you don't. You want to go to the, if you go to your site, you have to log back in again with your admin. You have to go to About. And since it has to be approved, it may not be up there yet. So we may have to wait to see it, but I want to view it on search. It'll be on the right-hand side. Look! Save 40% Wednesday only. I should put the date in there. It's exactly what I should do. And since it's published, I would like to edit it. I wonder how I edit. Don't care. I know how to get back there. I'm logged in correctly. I go to the About. I manage. I go to my post. Ah, this is very nice to know. It doesn't allow you to edit it unless, well, it has the date right there. View post on, view on search. That has been added. Very good to know. Edit. Fabulous. Wednesday only, comma, May 23rd, comma, 40% off flat flash sale. And this should actually be in all caps, but to match this, I'm going to leave it as it is. And there it is, already done. Isn't that the coolest thing? All right, there you go. That's how you do a post on a Google My Business listing. Thanks for watching. Sheila Hensley here.